Good evening mga friends. Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Shout out muna tayo sa mga friends natin dyan sa Tropan T4, saka sa mga ah, kapanalig natin dyan sa Miracle Coffee. Always drink your Miracle Coffee 3 times a day para matigas talaga. So good morning, we have here a Saka 12 SK12 Pro shotgun. Oh, para siyang M4. Short barrel shotgun siya. Oh. See. Oh. There. Okay. So, this shotgun that I have here does not belong to me, ha? It belongs to a colleague in the service. So, yung shotgun niya, it's all stock ito. Except yung ano niya, itong nilagay niya na parang Iotek. Oh, fake siya, no? Iotek actually. But it works, no? It held it zero. We tested this one. Pero sortihan lang, bali ba? China to. So anyway, so this one is a semi-automatic, no? Na shotgun. So yung charging handle niya, features niya, it already came with a Magpul style, no, na folding sights. Yan, folding sights. Ito sa likod, saka sa harap. Here. There. Okay. This one, he co-witnessed it with the optic na gamit niya. And it has a Picatinny rail sa taas, no? Picatinny rail. And I think I forgot what this is, ski mode or basta pwede maglagay ng ano dito ng mga accessories, no? And dito sa bottom din, meron siyang space dito. Can put accessories here, no? And it features a call this, parang flash hider niya, no? Ito, or muzzle compensator yata to. Works the same way, same manner as a compensator. Every time we shoot the shotgun, it's very hard kicking, no? Especially depende sa load mo. So if you're using slugs, natural, very hard kicking talaga yung slugs. Sometimes if you use regular na birdshot, so yun, medyo softer yung kick niya. And it came with a 10 round magazine. Ito magazine. Now the nice thing about these shotguns are made, it came from Turkey, manufactured in Turkey. So ang napansin ko sa mga shotguns from Turkey, their magazines are all compatible, no? So regardless if it's Derya or Katma or ito Saka, they all fit, no? All the magazines fit. What else? It's an M4 style, no? As you can see, M4 style. It features a Magpul style buttstock, retractable. Let's check ilang points to. So 1, 2, 3, 4 position na buttstock. 4 position. And you can adjust the elevation for the cheek pad dito. So you can elevate it according to your need, no? There, oh. So you can elevate it. Just push this button here, two sides of the buttstock dito. You can push it and then lower or raise the cheek rest according to your need. It also sports this sling swivel here at the rear. Oh, nakikita niyo. There. And then the charging handle is ambidextrous. Yung setting niya here is a right-handed na charging handle for right-handed operation. Sandali. There. So let's make sure first that it's unloaded, no? No magazine. Chamber check. Hold the bolt open. Hold the bolt open. Then we will check visually, check physically. Walang laman sa loob, walang laman. Okay. So close the chamber. Close the bolt. There. Point direction, pull, safe. So the mag release is extended, oversized for comfort, and the mag it features also an ambidextrous selector, so safety, fire. The other side also has same selector, no? So that's safety, fire. Okay, so we will check the trigger pull. No? The trigger pull of this one is quite heavy for its for this shotgun. So by the way, you cannot charge the charging handle. You cannot charge the charging handle if the selector is on safety. So you need to put it on fire for it to be charged. Okay. So the selector, the charging handle can be switched from this side to the other side. You can see a space jam. There's a space here. You can switch it to the other side. So let's take it down. No? Take down the rifle. It takes down the same way as your AR. So by the way, the grip is rubberized and the trigger guard is enlarged for gloved hand operation. So we're going to open the receiver. So just like your AR, you need to push the takedown pin. So we're going to push the takedown pin. Sometimes it's quite hard. Okay, open. There. So there's the hammer. Hammer. There's a fire control group, just like an AR. Looks like an AR. The trigger group is inside. The disconnector. There's the disconnector. Looks like an AR. But the hammer is oddly shaped, no? Of course, it's oddly shaped because it is a shotgun. The buffer here at the back. You cannot remove this the same way as an AR. You need to remove the entire buffer tube assembly, no? So that you can remove the buffer. So we're going to take out the bolt. There. For you to take out the bolt, you need to remove first the charging handle. Charging handle can be removed by putting it in this position and then just pulling it. Hold on. There. Then remove the charging handle. Then remove the bolt carrier group. Shit. So there, remove the bolt carrier group. Then there's the bolt. The bolt just rides on top, just like so. So the locking lug is only has a one locking lug coming cam action locking lug. So that's the lock. When it's in full battery, the locking lug is raised. When it's going to open the bolt, due to the force of the recoil, the carrier assembly, the bolt carrier will move backwards. So you can see the what do you call this? The bolt plug move down there, and then the entire bolt carrier assembly will follow. So the bolt can be easily just removed just like so. Now, in order to remove the firing pin, it's a different a bit complicated matter. There's a retaining pin here, roll pin. You need to push it out so that you can remove this firing pin. Firing pin is quite heavy. There. So this one is the extractor. The extractor. The ejector is built into the receiver. So here's the ejector. It will eject the shells after you fire it. So to put it back, very simple. Put your bolt over the bolt carrier, move it back so that you can put it inside the receiver again, the upper receiver. Put it inside, and then return the charging handle to its position. Just slight push. Okay. So there, returned it already. And then close the receivers. There. Function check. Here's the reset. There's the reset. So thank you guys. And for those who are interested in buying this rifle, this shotgun, it's available at Lock and Load. It's Lock and Load. So this is a very nice and soft shooting, portable, handy shotgun. No? The handling is very nice, just like an M4. So if you're used to using M4 rifles, you can use this shotgun with no problem at all. So you can use any 12 gauge ammunition. This one. No? So the magazine it came with two magazines, one 5-rounder magazine and one 10-round. This one that I'm holding is a 10-round magazine. So thank you guys and see you next time.